Pretty sure this is a milling stone that I found yesterday. I don't think that's painted. I'm pretty sure that's natural. The orange veins there. This right here is the wear. See that? I went like this. Isn't that cool? If it wasn't for the wear, I wouldn't have known what this was used for. I would have guessed, something like this or something. Oh, my wife. I left this on the counter yesterday. It was sitting like this. And my wife thought it was a potato and went to grab for it. It was a little bit heavier than an Idaho. It does look like a potato, doesn't it? Let's look at it in the sunlight and see if anything looks different. Nope, not really. Not that I can see. I love these things. Aha. We do have wear in the bottom here, see that? So, that was for the thumb. Nope, that was for the thumb. Oh, right and left-handed maybe? Let's get out of the zoom. There we go.